देवी एषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरतया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते। ठीक है, सो हाउ डू वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस? प्रभुपाद वाज इन अमेरिका, और अमेरिका में प्रभुपाद जी को भी पूछा, आपका देश में तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत गरीबी है, लोगों के पास खाना नहीं है, मतलब भिखारी लोग हैं ना, ऐसा। जब 1960s में प्रभुपाद जी वहाँ पहुँचे, 65 तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले कि आपके देश में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्या? इतने हिप्पी रोड में क्यों दिख रहे हैं हमको? उस समय हिप्पी रिवॉल्यूशन था। तो प्रॉब्लम सब जगह है। ये हम कल्पना करते हैं उधर बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। अभी देखो सब लोग क्या सोचते हैं, सीरिया में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। प्रॉब्लम इधर भी उतनी ही है, प्रॉब्लम कहीं भी कम नहीं है ना? अभी एक हम मानसिक कल्पना सोचते हैं, अरे बच गए हम सीरिया में, नहीं उधर होते तो मर जाते। इधर नहीं मरोगे क्या? इधर ही मर रहे हैं लोग। एक और एग्जाम्पल प्रभुपाद जी देते हैं। अमेरिका में आपको पता है उनका एक प्रेसिडेंट था, कैनेडी, बहुत फेमस था, सब कुछ सेट हो गया था, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका। लोग भी अच्छा उसको लाइक करते थे, और अपना बीवी बच्चे सब खुश स्माइल कर रहे थे। ठक, एक आदमी ने शूट के छुट्टी, लेस देन अ सेकेंड छुट्टी हो गया। तो थोड़ा एक्चुअली कृष्णा कॉन्शियस को समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा बुद्धि चाहिए। प्रॉब्लम ये हमारे पास तो थोड़ा भी बुद्धि नहीं है। ऐसा नहीं कि गीता को समझ नहीं सकते, समझ सकते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा बुद्धि चाहिए। कलयुग में लोगों के पास ये बुद्धि नहीं है। प्रायण अल्पायुषा सभ्या कलौ अस्मिन युगे जना मंद सुमंद मतियो मंद भाग्य उपादिता। शास्त्र क्या बोलते हैं? हम तो बड़ा सोच रहे हैं, बहुत एडवांसमेंट हो गया है, हम क्या थे। ऑलवेज जैसे जब कोई यू स्पीक समथिंग वैदिक, क्या वो फिर जाने का उधर, क्या उनको गांव में जाके बैल चलाने का? दे इमीडिएटली दे स्पीक लाइक दैट। आप कुछ बोलो कि ये सब आप कर रहे हो गलत है क्या बोलते हैं? तो आप साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी सब रिजेक्ट कर देंगे तो गांव में जाके बैल चलाएंगे क्या? तो इमीडिएटली, और उसको भी नहीं छोड़ो, उसका पीछे वो क्या के में आदमी बैठा था पत्थर लेके, वो तो अभी भी बैठ सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है। अभी भी कुछ लोग होंगे जो ऐसा काम करते हैं। सम ट्राइबल पीपल आर स्टिल देयर। So this is a very wrong picture that we are advancing. If people of the previous age, like Vedavyasa who wrote the Vedic literature, is to come today, वो तो बद्रीनाथ में थे 5000 साल पहले, करेक्ट? भागवत लिखा है, महाभारत लिखा है, भगवत गीता महाभारत का अंश है, करेक्ट? आप कहीं गए बद्रीनाथ गए हैं? भी कहीं 4 धाम यात्रा आप तो कर चुके हैं प्रभु जी। उनका को देखा है, केव देखा है वेदव्यास जी का, छोटा सा जगह। बहुत बारी मैं बोल रहा था, यूनिवर्सिटी बोलते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी, वो भी यूनिवर्सिटी थी, उसका प्रोडक्ट तो देखो। पेपर बनाते हैं हर यूनिवर्सिटी में, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है क्या क्या पेपर पब्लिश हो रहे हैं। नहीं तो यूनिवर्सिटी को गवर्नमेंट का ग्रांट नहीं मिलता, इतना पेपर पब्लिश होने का। क्या पेपर पब्लिश करते हैं? बकवास। वेदव्यास ने क्या पब्लिश किया देखो आप, इट इज़ वैल्यूबल फॉर द होल ह्यूमैनिटी फॉर एवर, करेक्ट इजंट इट? फॉर द होल ह्यूमैनिटी फॉर एवर। इंडिया का तो हालत मजाक ही है। बड़े बड़े साइंटिस्ट लोग बोलते हैं कि ऑफ वैल्यू एक पेपर नहीं बनता पूरे देश में साल में, तभी तो इंडिया में हार्डली एनी यू सी एनी प्राइज एनी। कभी देखा आपका मेडिकल फील्ड में कैसे पेपर बनते हैं? सबको मालूम है। 3 पेपर लो, एक चौथा पेपर बना दो जनरली। So problems are everywhere. We cannot say there are no problems. हर क्षण प्रॉब्लम है, और प्रॉब्लम का जब हम सॉल्व करना, कुछ लोग तो प्रॉब्लम मानते हैं प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जैसे वो होता ना, वो रैबिट के सामने जैसे ही, हिंदी कैंडिडेट है ना, सबको समझ आता है। प्रभु जी के लिए हिंदी में हो रही है क्लास। जैसे रैबिट है, अब रैबिट के सामने जब कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या करता है, आंख बंद कर लेता, प्रॉब्लम नहीं। तो सेम वे एक्चुअली जिंदगी प्रॉब्लम से भरी हुई है। अगर कोई चीज आदमी इस चीज को स्वीकार करता है, इमीडिएटली ही बिकम्स हम्बल, उसका घमंड निकल जाता है, एक क्षण में उसकी मृत्यु हो सकती है। क्या घमंड है आपको अपने पे? हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्लोज अवर आईज फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम। एंड द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज डेथ which we are having, ठीक है। एंड जितना भी हमने साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरी कर लिया है, दिस प्रॉब्लम हैज़ नॉट सॉल्व। कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं हम ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, वी विल डू सम डिस्कवरी, करते रहो, दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन नॉट बी। प्रभुपाद जी हंसते थे, ये अटेम्प्ट पहले भी हो चुका है, हिरण्यकशिपु ने भी ऐसा अटेम्प्ट किया था, इट डिड नॉट वर्क, करेक्ट। ही टुक द बेनेडिक्शन, मैं दिन में नहीं मरूंगा, रात में नहीं मरूंगा, अंदर बाहर, कुछ नहीं चला, मर गया फिर भी। So Prabhupada said even the scientists who are trying to become immortal, they are also put to death. So we don't find any evidence of anybody overcoming the laws of nature. Why is it so? अब पहले इसको समझना, why is it so that we cannot fight with the laws of nature? Krishna is saying, Devi esha gunamayi mama maya. It's my energy. And he very interestingly says in the purport, it's an inferior energy, but because of connection to Krishna, it will control you. It becomes divine. You are also divine. Anything coming from Krishna is divine. But that is also divine energy. Mama Maya, it's my energy. Duratya, it's you cannot cross it. How do we understand? Just like police. Now the police, you cannot overcome police. It's the government's power. Can you overcome police? You have the power. It's the government. You cannot fight with police. They bring army. Suppose somebody sometime Naxalite, they fight with police, like in Kashmir, they don't, immediately government sends the army. You cannot fight. So we should realize, you cannot fight with army or police. Yes, because the government is behind it. So if you do not obey the laws of the country, for you have to see the danda. You have to see the power of the police. Devi esha gudmayi mama maya duratya. You cannot cross over the laws of material nature. It is not possible. Something is there, Prabhupada. माम एव ये प्रपद्यन्ते. But then Krishna is giving the solution. ठीक है? You can put. Oh, no, don't put. The too much sound will come. So, mam eva ye prapadyante. So, you cannot cross over the laws of nature until you revolt against the government. So, why is it that the laws of nature are harassing and there is problem everywhere? Why is it so? Because we are disobeying the Lord. Devi esha gunamayi. Gunamayi means Maya is basically this sattva, rajas, tamas. What is Maya? Sattva, rajas and tamas. Therefore, it is called proper said Gunamayi. Gunamayi means, Maya means this sattva, rajas and tamas. You cannot surmount it. It is very, very powerful. And if you think, so how does Maya act? Prajahati yada kama sarva partha manogatan atmani evatmana tushta siddhavagna sauchate. That is the answer there. The moment we are engaged in spiritual activity, what happens to us? We are satisfied in the heart. Then you don't look outside for pleasure. See, why will police trouble you? Because you are doing something criminal. Police will not trouble a gentleman ever. Will police trouble a gentleman? No, I'm saying a good government. उल्टा अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा में कुछ भी हो जाता है. But ideal I'm saying, just for a principle's sake, the police will only disturb a crook. They do not disturb everybody. You understand this point? The same way, when we look in this world, open our eyes, our heart is not satisfied, we look in this world for enjoyment, immediately you are a criminal. Why? Because this world is not yours. Correct? Morning you get up, open your eyes. What should your attitude? My Lord, here your another servant awakens. Please bless me that whole day I serve you. And in Pancharatra Vidhi there are a lot of rules. You put your leg also on the ground, you take, there are mantras. Oh Bhumi, give me blessings. And like that. There are so many things are there. So you are offering yourself whole day for the service to the Lord. My Lord, today I like to serve you. Give me an opportunity. And night when we sleep, my Lord, you can go back to the day, see how much time I wasted. I wasted my time in this, I wasted my time in this, I wasted my time in this. So please forgive me. Tomorrow I will engage more enthusiastically in your service. So if we have this attitude, Maya will not touch you. Because why should it touch you? Correct? But if you do not have this attitude and you look in this world for enjoyment, problem will start. Either it is India or America, full of problems. In America, 50% marriages end in divorce. The suicide rate is one of the highest in the world. 65% of the world's illegal drugs. I'm not talking about paracetamol. You know illegal drugs, some names? Sabko malum hai. Okay. So all these drugs, 65% of the drugs are taken in America. Technically speaking, it's a drug addict nation. I was studying, by 8th class they have tasted drugs. 8th class. 6th, 7th, 8th. As much you see, हमारे इंडिया में 11th class के बच्चे खुले होते हैं and they are 5th, 6th class. You know how much confidence 11th class, 12th have? They are fearful. They are 5th, 6th, they are ahead of them. And parents can't stop them from testing the drugs. 6th class, some 30%. 7th class, 80% children have tasted one of the drugs. 8th class, almost 100% have tried. Liquor की तो छोड़ दो वो सब छोटा मोटा चीज़ है. Liquor and cigarette तो बच्चों का चीज़ है. The drugs they have tasted by 8th class. Just imagine the condition. Okay? And why? Then they are suffering. Mamaya dhurataya. You're going to play with the laws of nature. Laws of nature forbid you. See, Krishna has given us a chance to live away from him in the material world. But you cannot disobey the laws of dharma. That chance he has not given you. It's like you're driving in a car in a traffic. I've told this million times. You have actually no freedom. You have to obey the laws. If you don't obey laws, then police will beat you, will fine you. Do you have a choice? So many people feel God has given you freedom. He has not given you freedom. He has given you one freedom to live independent of him. But you have to obey the laws of the dharma. Laws of dharma have to be obeyed. And laws of dharma boil down to 4 things, at least minimum. What are the 4 things? Laws of dharma basically boil down to always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. What do we say in Sanskrit for this? Any Sanskrit line? There is a Sanskrit line for it. All these are derived from Sanskrit originally. Always remember Krishna. Huh? Huh? I don't remember. So always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. And then for doing that, they say the 4 regulatives. Shidra, that another fan is there. Increase the speed. So 4 regulative principles should be followed. Because if you do not follow that, you will definitely forget Krishna. If you break a regulative principle, why gambling is bad? It will make you forget Krishna. Why intoxication is bad? It will make you forget Krishna. Correct? All these regulated principles are dangerous because guaranteed they will make me forget Krishna. You understand? So, Devi Esha Gudamai Mamaya Duratya. Therefore, we should be very careful not to play with fire. Don't touch. What you should do? Don't touch, don't play with fire. But then, Mam eviye prapadyante. Prapadyante means surrender. Now, surrender to Krishna includes bowing down, but it doesn't end there. Surrender to Krishna means Sharanagati. There are 6 principles involved. Okay? First, you are convinced there are problems. If you are convinced I am in a problem, you will go to a doctor. Otherwise, even if doctor gives you free medicine, you will not take it. So first thing, everybody should be convinced there is a problem. Correct? Nobody wants to live in problem. Then he will look for a solution. But the joke is, we think we are not in a problem. That is our difficulty. Okay? That's our difficulty. The joke is, we do not understand that we are in a problem. If you are convinced we are in a problem, we will try to seek out a solution. Correct? If we are convinced. So this is very much needed, that we are convinced we are in a problem. And what is society trying to do today? Trying to solve the problem. And they create another problem. Just like they made aeroplanes and all. Prabhupada is saying now the fighter aircrafts are traveling and many people are living underground. Another problem now. So many countries where they wanted to fight, in America they created fighter pilots, planes going in Syria, and people are living in underground. So you created some solution, but created another problem. We discussed this many times, that you make roads to solve the problem of walking, but then you create problem of petrol accidents and other things. So in this world, in fact, Prahlad Maharaj has even a better wisdom on it. What does he say? Prahlad Maharaj says that this world is full of problem, and the remedy which you make to solve the problem is more painful than the problem itself. डॉक्टर लोग नहीं करते क्या? पेशेंट ऑलरेडी मर रहा है, उसको और दर्द दे देते हैं. They take a joke, no? And I don't know how much it is correct. Your B.M. Hegde says that. He quotes that year also. He said in Israel, for 1 year doctors went on a strike. And death rate decreased. लोग मरे नहीं उस साल. I don't know how much it is true. It is true? Anyway, I'm just having a liberty. Just point it. So the problem is, suppose I have some abscess and doctor will cut and all. It's very painful. So to solve that, actually it is more painful than the problem itself. The whole world is very funnily constituted. So unless you try to solve the root why the problem is coming, problem will not be overcome. The society today is trying to solve the problem. That is what is society trying to do, correct? And they are dying without solving the problem of life. Everybody. The whole world today agrees, every individual, there is a problem. And they can only solve problem if they surrender to God. They're avoiding that. And avoiding surrender to God, they're trying all kind of gymnastics. Let us do this. Let us, what are the problems countries? You say that you sit with the Prime Minister. Some problem. A lot of problem is there. We want a Tejas aircraft. Our own make. This problem. We don't know how to make. Okay, one problem. He will give you 100 problems. But actually it doesn't know. Main problem is the country is not surrendering to Krishna. And then Prabhupada, I said that previously, but I can repeat that. Prabhupada said they made United Nations to solve the problem. And many people came to United Nations to speak. Bada log aake bahut speech diya. And the result of their speaking was problem increased. Countries were whatever, every year one country adds. आप कभी ये नहीं देखेंगे 2 country बोलते हैं चलो इकट्ठे रहते हैं बन के एक हो गया. They tried in European Union, it is also not worked out. Again, it is going to break apart. Correct? What is, all countries, now I cannot live with you. One more. Why? Because if there was somebody qualified to speak, Prabhupada says, then Prabhupada gives a very good example. He says, takes an example of, he says, ISKCON. Prabhupada said, I spoke. Prabhupada spoke. And I spoke for 6-7 years. Correct? Shiva, give him the cake. And then what happened? You can give our cake is there. It will be very happy. So what happened then? He tried to solve the problem. Prabhupada said, I just spoke. Prabhupada spoke for 6-7 years. What was the result of Srila Prabhupada speaking? The whole world came together. The Prabhupada says, unless you have a man qualified to speak, because United Nations doesn't have a man qualified to speak, Prabhupada said, close the United Nations. No use, close it. You made the big building, you made the big organization, but problem was you did not have a person qualified to speak. Therefore, instead of uniting, what happened? More countries came. How many? 150 countries? 181. It will increase every year, one more country. And so many countries have put application for. Nobody is recognizing them, but they want to become independent. The same way, Prabhupada says, I also spoke. Very humbly speaking. Our good self also spoke. Well, what was the result? Prabhupada said, go to Mayapur, see. Actually, we should see Mayapur because look at it. How nicely devotees live from different parts of the world together. He could bring the whole world together. Correct? And devotees recognizing each other, accepting each other, serving each other, desiring to, in every way, uniting into a beautiful organization. Why? Because there was somebody who was speaking. You understand? So therefore, problems of the world cannot be solved unless we surrender to Krishna. And because Prabhupada spoke, you see, Prabhupada never, I always pointed this out, Prabhupada was in India. He was alone. Movement had not begun. Prabhupada continued to speak only Krishna Katha. He did not speak some cheap morals or something to become so-called popular in this world. No, sir. Yare deko tare kaho, Krishna Upadesh. He was fixed on his mission. Not that let me speak Krishna conscious लोगों को समझ नहीं है. अरे भाई अच्छे रहो, सब संबंध बना के रहो, सब लोग खुशी से रहो. Prabhupada did not dilute his message. His message was यारे देखो तारे कहो, Krishna Upadesh. He did not dilute. He was fixed in his mission of his God. Even a magazine he wrote, why didn't he write some other title? Back to Godhead. Many people may not read when you write this. He did not bother about that. And same way, when he was in America, many people say, why you give this title? International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Many people will go away. At least write God Consciousness. Write something else, just like most people to do. Something vague. A lot of people will come together. Moment you become proper, say, no. My mission is fixed. So we are not interested to collect crowd as fools. Our objective should be very, very clear what you want to do. It's like Prabhupada used to say, I can only repeat what my Guru has told that I can do. Just like I just read Prabhupada lecture on the shloka, I'm repeating. You accept it or not is your problem, not my problem. That we cannot. We are happy if people accept, but we are detached from it. That should be the attitude. There is one time Prabhupada is in America and he writes, today nobody came. He's a center, no? In the beginning he opened. I did for 2 hours kirtan alone in my room. Alone. Detached. Totally detached. Okay? Somebody has come. He used to go to senior steamship and ask, when is the next ship going back? And he used to think, okay, kuch nahi, itna dur aaye hain. I will sell some magazines and I will go back. His books. That time he had books. I distribute some books and go back. He was totally detached. Totally detached. So we need to understand that unless any individual surrenders to Krishna, his problems cannot be solved.